In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate a page in DocHub. To get started, open your web browser and search for DocHub. Once the search results appear, click the correct DocHub link to go to the official website. This will take you to the platform where you can access and edit your documents. Next, sign in to your DocHub account. If you are not already logged in, you'll need to complete that step before you can access your files. After signing in, you'll arrive at the dashboard, which is where your saved and uploaded documents are organized. From the dashboard, open the PDF that you want to edit. Make sure you select the correct file, especially if you have several documents stored in your account. Once the PDF is open, you'll be in the document editor where the page tools are available. Now look to the top toolbar and find the Page Controls icon. It looks like 4 small squares, and it's located on the far left side of the toolbar. Click that icon to open the Page Thumbnail sidebar. This sidebar gives you a visual overview of all the pages in your PDF, which makes it much easier to work with specific pages instead of the entire document. At this point, select the page you want to fix by clicking on its thumbnail in the sidebar. If only one page is rotated incorrectly, a single click is all you need. If multiple pages need to be adjusted, you can select specific pages by holding down Ctrl on Windows or CMD on Mac while clicking each thumbnail. This is especially helpful when the pages you want to rotate are not next to each other. Once your page or pages are selected, move to the bottom of the sidebar panel. There, you'll see the options to rotate clockwise or rotate counterclockwise. Click the direction that will turn the page the way you need it to go. If you're not sure which one to choose at first, don't worry. You can simply try one and check the result. Keep clicking the rotate option until the page is right side up. Since each click rotates the page in increments, it may take more than one click to get the correct orientation. Take a moment to confirm that the page looks normal and is easy to read before moving on. That's all it takes to rotate a page in DocHub. It's a simple tool, but it can make a big difference when you're cleaning up scanned documents or fixing pages that were uploaded in the wrong orientation.